Hello guys, good morning everyone. Ayan ang ating sopas for today with hotdog pure foods. Ayan. Ayan with matching advertise ng hotdog pure foods at carrots repolyo. Yan lang at saka gatas na Alaska. Ayan. Ang ating hinalo for today. Yum, yum, yum. Sarap. Ayan guys, oh. Yummy. O, diba? Yum, yum, yum. Ang ating sopas for today. Yan siya guys. Yummy, oh. Yan, sino may gusto, yan. Sarap, isang kasirulang malaki. Maghapon ang kakainin ko guys. Yan o, yummy, yum, yum, yum. With pure foods hotdog, Alaska, evaporada. Ayan. Ang ating ulam for today. Ulam yan guys, pwedeng ulam yan, masarap. Salamat. God bless everyone.